Okay, what's up guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at the Sofirn SC31B 1000 lumen rechargeable LED flashlight. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. The people at Sofirn were very nice to send this out to me to review and take a look at it for you guys. Okay, we gotta join our Facebook group, grab deals, and win free stuff. Kinda nice. Got a lanyard. Do not eat. Even if you are hungry, do not eat that. Micro USB cable to recharge it. Looks like it's a good length. And we have our instructions. And we have our light. Now what's different about this light is it actually has the charging micro USB port on the flashlight. So you don't have to use that charging cradle anymore. So that's really nice. As you see there, we got a nice rubber cover on it. That's goes on pretty nicely, and it has a little flap there to easily uncover the port there. That's nice. You got a belt clip, typical Sofirn fashion, and you could take it off like that if you don't like that. And take a look at it here. It's very just like all Sofirn flashlights. The machining is really nice, well done. There's the LED, and there's the lens. It's kind of like a orange peel type of lens. Go ahead and take the paper out of the battery door, and it does come with a battery, 18650 battery. It is a 2200 milliamp hour battery versus some of the other flashlights. They come with a 3000 milliamp hour battery. So if you were to add one of those to that would probably increase the run times on this. Okay, let's go through the modes here. As a total of 5 modes, one mode being the strobe mode. And to turn on the strobe mode, just quickly double tap the power button there and it'll turn on the strobe mode. And I'll spare you showing you that mode because it's pretty hardcore. Trust me, I was playing around with it. So a total of 4 regular modes. So just click it on like that. You see the power button turns on for about 5 seconds. That's just to indicate the status of the battery. So a solid blue color means the battery is pretty full. If it's blinking slowly, that means you're in between halfway depletion of your battery. If it's blinking quickly or fast, that means your battery is pretty low and you should probably recharge your flashlight relatively soon. So let's go turn it on. And to cycle through the modes, you just hold in the power switch. And that just goes through the modes there. And until you find the mode that you want to be in, you just let go. So that's eco mode, which is 10 lumen. Low mode is 150 lumen. Medium mode is 400 lumen. High mode is 1000 lumen. And in high mode, it could only stay on high mode for about 3 minutes according to the instructions. And then it steps back down to medium mode, which is 400 lumen. And it does have a memory, so whatever mode you left it on last, that's what the light will turn on at until you cycle through the modes again. So that's high mode, that's 1000 lumen. And let's say you're in a dark situation, you're camping, hunting, or whatever. You don't want to lose your flashlight, or you want to find it easier. When it's off, you just hold in the power button there, and it's what they call the breathing mode. See there, it's kind of like the light's breathing, if you will, like a breath. And you could find, of course, if it was dark, it would, you get the idea. It would be a little more brighter, and you could find your flashlight easier. And to turn that off, you just click it. So that's pretty nice. And I think all the functions on this light, all the functions are really nice how they thought about putting the modes in there. So I think this flashlight is pretty well thought out. Okay, let's say you want to recharge your flashlight. So now you just leave your battery in there. So you just undo this rubber cover here and get your micro USB cable. And it'll just be blinking like that, meaning it's charging. And once it stays solid blue, that means it's fully charged. Let's take a look at the light pattern here. So that's eco, low, medium. So see here on the camera, it looks like more of it's a pretty dramatic hotspot. It's a circle hotspot, but in person it's more diffused and tapered of a hotspot. So in person it's not as dramatic as it looks like on a camera. Let's go ahead and put it on high, 1000 lumen. Same thing here, it's more of a circle hotspot on camera, but in person it's more diffused and tapered. Don't get me wrong, it still has a hotspot, but it's a pretty nice, light pattern.